Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 12th of December. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday from the UK. We saw the average earnings index come in better than the forecast at 3.3%. That is, I guess, a positive data for the UK, but at the moment everything seems to be centered around Brexit and whether Prime Minister May will be able to salvage the Brexit deals that she's trying to get through Parliament. Cable dropped again yesterday regardless of the data that came out. From the US, we saw the PPI numbers come in at 0.1%. That was better than the forecast. Also, US had a little bit of a stronger day yesterday in light of that data. That was pretty much all for the session. So let us now have a look at our chart of the day. The chart of the day this morning is... It is the Euro USD on a 4-hour time frame. Now you can see here this is a really nice converging wedge or triangle, whatever you want to call it. It's a rising, slightly on the rising side. We've had 3 touches on each side, so it is very well formed. So basically now essentially all we need is the current candle, which is this little blue one right now, will finish at around about 9 a.m. Sydney time. This morning. When that candle finishes, it's more than likely going to remain as an inside candle to the big red one next to it, which basically means at around about 9 a.m. we can come in and place our pending order to trade a long signal on the break on the high side. So if we break the high side of the completed candle, which is not completed yet, but when it does at 9 a.m. Then that would be basically our trade. If we do break the bottom side, then go back and cancel out your pending order, as it will no longer be a valid setup. So there you have it, Euro USD 4-hour time frame. We are going to attempt to do a buy trade on the break of the inside candle. Okay, what's happening in the session that is coming up now? Well, for the day session, there's nothing, but after midnight, 2 bits of data. They come from the US. We have CPI and the core CPI number. That is at 12:30, just after midnight tonight. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.